This is Decadent Dodecagram Creativity Kit from Altenew. This is a specially curated collection of products created to inspire your creativity. This kit will help you create decadent geometric handmade cards and paper crafting projects. In the kit you will receive stamps, dies and inks that will all work together beautifully to create many different designs. In the kit you will receive Dodecagram stamp set, Dodec cover die, Dodec star die set, Warm Springs mini ink cube set. An exclusive inspiration guide is also included to help kickstart your creativity. For more information on Decadent Dodecagram Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.